Hey guys, my name is GlowBern and welcome back to GoGrowGlowbern. In this channel I share travel vlogs around Perth, Western Australia. And in today's video I am going to be sharing part 2 of my motivation series. I am making this video series to share my motivation tips and how I came back to YouTube after having a break towards the end of 2018. For this video I am at the Claisebrook Cove. So pretty out here. Claisebrook Cove is just a 10-minute walk east of Perth, and it is a vibrant and picturesque inlet. And here people usually come for picnicking as it's situated next to the Victoria Gardens, and people also come to do some water sports like boating and maybe some tours as well as cycling. And because it's on the Swan River, people also come for fishing, kayaking, and there are also a lot of alfresco dining areas. So there's a lot of pubs and cafes as well as restaurants where you can enjoy a picturesque view while having your meal. Alright, so there's a bridge here, pedestrian bridge, that you can walk to the other side of Claisebrook Cove. And surprisingly, look what I discovered. There's an area on this bridge where you can actually place love locks. That is so romantic. Tip number 2 on how to stay motivated is to make a vision board. So now that we have identified our goals and where we want to go to this year, now it's time to make a vision board. As they say, a picture paints 1,000 words. With that in mind, I think making a vision board about your goals and where you want to go to this year is essential to help you stay motivated. There are times when we just don't feel like reading. I love words. Words are my thing. I love writing down my goals and anything else that comes into mind, but sometimes I'm just tired of reading. Now this is where a vision board comes in handy. Seeing your goals in pictures helps you focus on them better, because all you have to do is just look at them and be reminded straight away what your goals are. Now depending on your preference, you can draw them if you're very creative, or you can print pictures of the goals that you want to achieve, or you can even take your own pictures. Then arrange them on a board, be it like a whiteboard or like a big cardboard or like a picture frame or whatever it is, and place it on an area where you see often. It could be the bathroom mirror, your desk, your office, wherever you can see it often, so that you will be reminded of your goals often. This year my goal is to upload a lot of videos, at least once a week, but more consistently every other week. But the photo that I choose for my vision board is actually the YouTube logo, and next to it sits my camera, so that I will be reminded of my goal, which is to make videos every week and post them and share them to you guys on this platform. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Leave this emoji in the comments below if you have reached the end of this video. And don't tell anyone why that's there. It's a secret between you and me. And I shall see you next week. Bye.